Good morning students. Today our topic is push button LED blinking. So I am going to demonstrate this project component specification, component and the circuit diagram. I'll show you with the help of this PPT. What is Arduino Uno? Arduino Uno is an open source physical computing platform designed to make experiment with electronics more fun, and it has its own simplified language which is called Embedded C. Arduino Uno, as you can see, from there you need to connect the USB cable with the help of the program you will burn in the IC. In this lesson you are going to learn how to connect push button and LED. With the help of the push button you need to learn how to toggle it. The specification of the component: in this project you required Arduino Uno, USB cable, 220 ohm resistor, 10k ohm resistor, one LED, one push button, one breadboard, several jumper cables. Principle of this project: buttons are a common component used to control electronic device. They are usually used as switch to connect or disconnect circuit. Although buttons come in variety of sizes, shape, the other use of this experiment in this experiment you are going to use 12 button. The button is normally used for press for open circuit and closed circuit. Okay, the two contact of the button are off state, and under normal condition only when the button is pressed they are closed. What is LED? As you have heard about LED in the previous lesson, LED, light emitting diode. It has two pins, one is anode and other is cathode. Anode is for positive and cathode is for negative. As you can see in the symbol here, LED emits light. This is the circuit of our project. In this circuit you need to place LED on the breadboard, 220 ohm resistor and push button. The pin number you need to connect on the 5 and the LED is connected to 13 in the Arduino, as you can see in the circuit. This is the program you're going to use: LED pin 13, LED pin 5. In this you need to define LED pin in which you need to connect the circuit, and the pin mode, void setup, void loop. In void setup you're going to define the pin, and in void loop you're going to show the functions. Okay, whenever the state goes up it will on, and the down then it will off. Okay, thank you.